Have you ever imagined experiencing the thrill of adventure alongside serene natural beauty? As you ascend into the heavens, the gentle breeze brushes against your skin, carrying whispers of ancient tales from the land below. The thrill builds as the moment arrives. You finally see the landscape transforming under the warm kiss of the early morning sun. Suddenly, the vibrant hues of dawn burst forth, illuminating the intricate patterns of the fairy chimneys. Once you hover over the valleys, the mixture of colors seems to dance across the landscape, revealing hidden caves and time-worn paths etched by nature's hand. As you drift, the world below unfolds like a magnificent mural, inviting you to explore its depths and marvel at its wonders. Each moment feels like a delicate brushstroke on the canvas of your memories, forever imprinting the magic of Cappadocia into your heart. Now, picture yourself gliding gently above the fairy chimneys, each one standing like a sentinel, guarding the secrets of the ages. The whispers of the past echo through the caverns as you marvel at how nature sculpted these wonders over millennia. Below, the valleys weave stories of ancient civilizations, each twist and turn of the landscape holding a tale waiting to be discovered. As you savor this unique perspective, a sense of peace envelops you, reminding you that these moments are precious and fleeting, much like the clouds shifting beneath you. The experience of Cappadocia unveils not just sights, but feelings, connecting you deeply to the land of enchantment beneath the balloon's basket. Next, after transferring your senses back from the sky, let's journey to Pamukkale. As you approach, you notice the gleaming white terraces cascading down the hillside, resembling a fluffy white cotton blanket. The warm, mineral-laden waters flow into shimmering pools, glistening under the sun's embrace, inviting you to step in and experience nature's sensuous touch. Each step along the terraces feels revitalizing, like a gentle hug from the earth itself. As you dip your toes into the inviting waters, the soothing warmth wraps around you, providing a comforting embrace. The grandeur of Pamukkale unfolds, showcasing its unique beauty while nature sings its tranquil song. In this stunning paradise, you are transported to a realm where time seems to stand still and relaxation reigns supreme.